Well, it's still summer, of course, so we still get these periods when we are rather hot, and 90s is hot when we should be in the low 80s this time of year. Part of the reason we're so hot to start this week off is this area of high pressure that really dominates the weather across the East Coast. High pressure brings sinking air. Sinking air limits the formation of clouds, so it gives us a lot of sun, which obviously helps to heat us up, but it also limits storm coverage to just isolated. So without a lot of cloudiness or a lot of rain, you get a lot of sunshine, which is an important ingredient in helping us to warm up. But what that high is also doing is it's bringing a wind direction out of the west and southwest that helps to bring in temperatures in the 90s, bring in that heat from the south and west of us. Of course, it's much hotter in Oklahoma and Texas where it's in the hundreds, but for us, 90s is still hot. Today's 90s made it 16 days this year where we've had highs in the 90s. All of last year had 17 days with highs in the 90s, but the year before, 26 days with highs in the 90s. So I wouldn't be surprised if by later on this week, we exceed the number of days in the 90s that we had last year, but we still got a ways to go before we catch up to 2018's heat. I'm 20 News Storm Team Meteorologist Nick Bannon.